Hello, in this video I'll guide you step by step to install Visual Studio Code. Open your browser and search VS Code install. Click the first official link. Once you click the link, you can see different download options based on your operating system like Windows, macOS and Linux. Just choose the one that matches your system. Since I am using Windows, I have clicked on Windows download button. And as you can see in the download section, VS Code setup file has started downloading. After the download is complete, open the installer. You can see an agreement. Accept the agreement and click on next. Make sure this all checkboxes are clicked. Make sure you check all the checkboxes. After the setup, now you can see VS Code is installed. After opening it, you can see a welcome screen like this. There is an open folder option from which you can directly open the folders. For that, you need to create a folder first. Here I have created web development folder for HTML files. Now you can select the folder and directly open it. Or there is another option. You can go to File Explorer. On your keyboard, press Shift plus right click and you can see Open with Code option. So you can open your folder directly from here also. Now you can see your folder here. To create a new file, click on this option and create your HTML files here. But before, you need to install extensions. Here, click on this icon. VS Code provides various extensions. VS Code extensions enhances VS Code functionality, and for HTML CSS you need to install this extension. You can see it on screen, HTML CSS support. Just click on install and extension will be installed. Again, another extension is live preview. Instead of live preview, you can also install live server. But live preview is most preferred. Now install live preview or live server extension. How to run the HTML file? Now in the top right corner you can see an icon. This icon is because of live preview extension, and by double clicking it you can see the preview of your web page. And if you want to open it in browser, here as shown, you can also open it in browser. And if you are using live server extension, then In the bottom right, you can see there is a Go Live option. By clicking on it, you can see your web page. In this way, you can create your HTML and CSS files. And that's it. VS Code is now ready to use.